So dieting is really dumb, and I'll tell you exactly why. I know that's a bold statement that some people are going to have a problem with, but in my experience now working with hundreds and hundreds of people and doing thousands of sessions with people talking about emotional management as it pertains to relationship with food, here's the big thing: why dieting is dumb. The vast majority of people that struggle with their relationship with food use food, otherwise known as substance, for two main things. So if they are using food to deal with negative emotion or positive emotion, that is a really big challenge. And we really focus more on the negative emotion side because that is so common. So the ones that I hear most commonly are depression, sadness, stress, boredom. Those are probably the biggest two. And so when people are already using food to deal with negative emotion, how can it possibly be a good thing to tell somebody to be restricted, deprived, and then which that leads to frustration? So, and that's basically the connotation with every diet program that anybody ever goes to. Usually when people go to a primary care physician, what do you get? If they're overweight, especially if they're in the obese category, they get a lot of finger wagging and they say, you just need to eat less and exercise more. And then that also comes with more guilt, more shame associated with provoking more negative emotion. So you just never escape this cycle. So that's why we always focus here on relationship with food, emotional management system, but also figuring out better ways to cope with negative emotion. So that's a non-substance replacement strategy for negative emotion. So that's what we're always trying to accomplish. So yeah, so why is dieting dumb? Because it will typically push people in the direction of experiencing more negative emotion. So if they use food to deal with negative emotion, going on a diet is going to do three things. It's going to make them feel deprived, restricted, and then in turn, the result will be frustration. How can that be a good strategy? It's a dumb strategy. And that's how 99% of diet programs and weight management programs approach how to lose weight. So that's why dieting is dumb. I hope that makes sense. And we really try to do things quite differently. Non-substance emotional management replacement strategies. The simple example that I always give is if somebody is stressed, one will take the dog for a walk and the other one will resort to eating cookies. One is conducive to healthy emotional management system. The other one is kind of dysfunctional and will create a negative health outcome. And that's what we're trying to avoid here. So thank you.